Galaxy Buds 4 keep disconnecting from your Samsung or Android phone during calls or music? Don't worry. Here's how to fix the problem. Let's start with the basics. First, charge your earbuds. Low battery can cause connection drops. Also, make sure you stay close to your phone, because going out of Bluetooth range can disconnect the buds. Next, put both earbuds back into the case and close the lid for about 10 seconds. Then, take them out again. This quickly refreshes the Bluetooth connection. Now, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and remove any old or unused paired devices. Too many saved Bluetooth devices can sometimes cause interference. After that, open the Galaxy Wearable app on older Samsung or Android devices. If you're using a newer Samsung phone, go to Settings, then Bud Settings. Tap Earbud Settings. First, turn ear detection for calls off. This can help stop random call disconnections. Then, go back and open Seamless Earbud Connection. Turn that off too. This prevents the buds from switching between devices automatically. If the issue continues, scroll down and tap Reset, then confirm it. After that, pair your buds again like new. And if that still doesn't fix it, do a manual reset. Put both earbuds in the case and leave the lid open. Now, press and hold the back buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds. Keep holding until the LED inside the case starts flashing lights. Once that happens, reconnect your buds and test them again. That's it. If this helped, stay with Fix369 for more quick tech fixes.